Last summer, my buddy Dave excitedly called me over to witness his latest acquisition, a parrot he claimed could predict the weather. Dubious but intrigued, I arrived to find Dave sitting in front of his cage, eagerly jotting down notes. "Just wait," he said, his eyes wide with anticipation. Every morning, without fail, the parrot squawked, "It's raining cats and dogs." Regardless of the blazing sun outside. We were perplexed but entertained, assuming the bird had some uncanny sixth sense. By the end of the week, the mystery unraveled when Dave confessed he'd been leaving the TV on, tuned to the Weather Channel, where the weatherman had a penchant for the phrase "It's raining cats and dogs." Realizing we'd been duped by a clever mimic, I couldn't help but quip, "Well, Dave, looks like your parrot might not be a meteorologist, but he sure knows how to wing it."